In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close Shopify account. If you've decided it's time to wrap things up, I'll walk you through the exact screens you need to click, along with helpful context so there are no surprises. Start by opening Shopify and signing in to your admin. Make sure you're logged in as the store owner or an account with the right permissions, since only those users can cancel a plan. Once you're in the admin, look down to the bottom left corner and click Settings. This is where Shopify keeps all the behind the scenes controls for your store. Inside Settings, select Plan. The plan page shows your current subscription details and any billing information relevant to your store. This is also where Shopify provides the option to cancel. Find and select Cancel Plan. When you choose this, Shopify will display important information about what canceling means, such as how access to your admin changes and what happens to billing. Read this carefully so you know what to expect. You'll see a switch or checkbox that says I've reviewed the information above. Toggle that on to confirm you understand the implications. This acknowledgement helps ensure you're not cancelling by accident and that you've considered the details provided. After that, click Continue to move forward. Next, Shopify will ask you to select a reason for cancelling. Choose the option that best matches your situation, as this feedback helps improve the platform. Then click Continue. Depending on your account, you might be prompted to verify your identity, such as entering your password or confirming via a security step. If you see that, simply follow the on-screen instructions. On the final confirmation screen, click Cancel once again to complete the process. This last confirmation is there to prevent accidental closures. After you confirm, Shopify will process the change and your plan will be cancelled. Your store will become inactive, and access to the admin will be limited or closed based on Shopify's policies. If you're eligible to reopen later, Shopify typically keeps store data for a period of time, so you can come back by logging in and selecting a new plan. A couple of quick tips before you proceed. Make sure you've reviewed any outstanding charges and understand how refunds or final invoices might work, and be aware of how cancelling could affect connected services or apps. If anything looks different on your screen, it could be due to updates in Shopify's interface, so follow the prompts you see. That's it. You've now seen how to close Shopify account clearly and confidently from start to finish.